Yeah, guys, good evening. We spent some time for the recording option. So now let us see right from the beginning. Downloading the JDK, installing the JDK, importance of path environment variable, updating path environment variable in all different ways. I repeat, first we will see from where we have to download, which one we have to download, which one we have to download. After downloading, installing JDK, while installing, what are the precautions you have to take care? Once installation got over, understanding importance of path environment variable and different ways of updating path environment variables. Let me open a browser. Let me share the same browser to you. In the browser, go to oracle.com. To download any softwares from Oracle organization, you have to sign in. For the sign-in purpose, you should have an account. First you create the account, then sign in, then you can download any software from Oracle organization. First and foremost one, I'm clicking on create an account. You can see sign in, then create an account. You're getting a simple form. Please fill up this form. Enter your email ID, choose any password. Select the country, select the name, any name. Job title, any job title. Don't worry like you're not working anywhere. If you're thinking like I'm not working anywhere, so you can enter any job title, any work phone, any company name, address, city, state, pin code, create account. We need to check the mail. We need to confirm our mail account. So open on this, verify, Verify the email address. Continue. Now you can look for sign in. Account created. Account created. Click on sign in. Specify the username. The password. Done. We have signed in to the Oracle site. We have signed it into the Oracle site. Now we are ready to download. We are ready to download any software from the Oracle organization. Now come to the menu. You can see downloads, Java, all Java downloads. Menu, downloads, Java, all Java downloads. You can see Java SE in the right side under technologies. Under technologies, Java SE. Click on Java SE. After clicking on Java SE, click on Downloads. Under Downloads, you can see the latest download. U131. 8 is a version number. Update number is a 131. Click on this Java icon. Under this Java icon, you need to accept a license agreement. You can see accept a license agreement. Click on accept a license agreement. Now you can find several links for different operating systems, different JDK installer, different operating systems, different JDK installers. We are using Windows operating system. There are two JDK installers for Windows operating system. Two JDK installers for Windows operating system. The first one is for Windows 32. whatever I selected now, it is for Windows 32-bit. This Windows 32-bit installer can be used even for 64-bit also. The last one is only for Windows. Kamlesh, last one is for only Windows 64. But if you go for last but one, this can be installed in both 32 and also 64. So my advice is try to download last but one, which is saying like JDK 7U 131 Windows i586.exe. i586.exe. I'm clicking on this. Downloading will be started. I'm clicking on last but one, but not the last one. Last one is only for 64-bit. If you go for last but one, then you can install in any Windows operating system. It can be 32-bit or even it can be 64. Downloading started. It is taking 2-3 minutes time. Let it download. So please observe here, different operating systems, JVM is varying. That is why different downloads are there. For different operating systems, JVM is varying. That is why you can find different download links, different downloaders for different operating systems. Because of just JVM changing, we can find different installers for different operating systems. Just it is a 191 MB. It's supposed not to take more than 2-3 minutes. By default in my system, all downloads are happening in the downloads folder. This file also downloading into downloads folder. Afterwards, I will be copying into the backup drive. Then I'll be installing. Sorry. Downloading is done. Let me show my downloads folder. 1 second. Under downloads folder, this is the file. This is the file downloaded now, JDK 8U131 Windows i586. Let me copy the same. I'm copying from the downloads folder and I'm putting in the backup drive. In my system, I'm choosing backup drive as a F drive. I'm going to the F drive. I already created one folder called online-sw. Go inside online-sw. Try to place the downloaded file. Yes. This is completely downloading operation. We just downloaded. Now we have to install. Let's see installation process. Double click on this downloaded file. Double click on this downloaded file. Click on run. You are getting some pop-up windows. Those will not be showing by VijIQ platform. You can simply note down whatever I am telling. So I got the first pop-up window, first wizard. You will be seeing next and cancel. Only two buttons are there. One is a next and cancel. Click on next. We got a second window, second wizard. Even this is also, please observe, all pop-up windows are not showing by VijIQ platform. So we are in the second window. In this second window, we are seeing development tools, source code, public JRE. Development tools, source code, public JRE. Totally 3 features are installing. Those 3 features are development tools, source code, public JRE. So here, public JRE, we are not using, developer not using public JRE. It is only for the production purpose. It is only for the production purpose. Click on public JRE. Click on public JRE. Select this feature will not be available. This feature will not be available. We are not going to install public JRE. It is not for the development purpose. It is not for the developer. It is only for the production. We are trying to install only development tools and source code, not the public JRE. Under development tools, we are getting JRE, which we are using. Developer is using JRE, which is getting through development tools. Under development tools, we are getting one JRE. developer will be using the JRE which is coming along with the development tools. Then next one, there is a install tool. It is showing the target location, a destination location where JDK has to install. By default, every installation happening in the operating system drive, C program files. Don't install development softwares inside a C program files. It's not advisable. We don't want to disturb operating system with our development softwares. Whenever we are installing JDK, Tomcat, Oracle, WebLogic, either servers or programming related, even IDEs also, don't install in the operating system drive. Next to that, there is a button called change. Click on change. So select D drive. I will be installing all development softwares inside a D drive. Go inside a D drive. Inside a D drive, choose one folder. I am choosing a folder JDK 8.0. While choosing a folder, don't choose any spaces. Try to choose folder with a name JDK 8.0. JDK represents a software name. 8.0 represents version number. Don't give a space in the middle of JDK and 8.0. Now click OK. I'm choosing a folder called JDK 8.0 in the D drive. That's all. Now you can click next. I'm clicking on next. Now we don't require to do anything. Installation is started. Yeah. Once installation finished, you will be getting one window where you can see next steps and close. We don't require to go to the next steps. You can close. Complete installation got over, and we got the message like development kit 8 update number 131 successfully installed. Click on close. My system is responding slowly. Yeah. So come to the D drive. You can see one folder with a name as JDK 8.0. The total installation is got over. Go inside a JDK 8.0. You can find one folder called bin. Bin stands for binary. All binary files are available inside a bin folder. Go inside. Among all the files, two very important files, Java and Javac. These two are the command files. We have to run these two command files for every Java program development. After developing a Java program, we have to use Javac command for compilation, Java command for running. These two are the command files. We have to run from the command prompt. The total installation is got over. Now let us see whether we can able to run Javac command and Java command from the command prompt successfully or not. I am opening a command prompt. Let me share the same command prompt to you. By default, command prompt is opening to C drive, users, name of the user. Let me trigger Javac command to check. There is a option called version. You can trigger Javac command to identify what is its version. By default, we are unable to trigger Javac command. Successfully. Let us move to the D drive. D colon represents a D drive. From the D drive, I am triggering Javac command. Again same message we are getting. Command prompt unable to identify location of Javac command. Come to the E drive. You cannot trigger Javac command straight away. No matter from which location, let us go back to the D drive, D colon. Let's go to the JDK installation folder. Let's go to the bin folder where Javac command is available. From this location, we are able to trigger Javac command. Even we can trigger Java command also. Javac command, Java command both are having version option. There is an option called version. Use a hyphen version. In order to use any option of a command, you have to use with a hyphen. While using Java space hyphen version, we are getting a detailed information about Java command. By default, command prompt recognizing commands only from the current directory. By default, command prompt recognizing all the commands from the current directory. If you want to trigger any command from different locations of the command prompt, then you have to set path environment variable. Please observe requirement of the path environment variable. In order to run a command from different locations of a command prompt, assume command is available somewhere in the D drive. I need to run the same command from C drive or from different location of the D drive or from the E drive or from the F drive, then you have to set path environment variable. You need to set a path environment variable. This path environment variable, it is a operating system specific. If you want to specify your command's locations to the command prompt, then you have to use path. You should not use any other name. You have to use path only. You should not use any other name. Path only. Now, there are three different ways of setting a path environment variable. There are three different ways of setting a path environment variable. The first way I'll show you. First way, set path is equal to location of your commands. By using set command, you can set a path. By using set command, you can set a path. Now you can trigger, you can run Java C command or Java command from any location of the command prompt. Let me go to the F drive, which is a backup drive in my system. From the backup drive also, I can able to trigger Java C command because of I updated path environment variable. You can see Java C command, Java command, both we can able to trigger from any location. Come to the E drive. From any drive we can able to run Java C command and Java command. Unfortunately, this will not be visible to other command prompts. Whatever path you are setting through set command, this will be visible to only for the current command prompt. It will not be visible to another command prompts. For one command prompt, we can able to set path environment variable by using set command. This set command provided by operating system developers to set any environment variable. We have set path environment variable. So let me keep this command prompt as it is. I'm not closing this command prompt. Let me open a new command prompt. After opening a new command prompt, I'll share the same command prompt to you. Let us see path will be available or not. First I am opening a command prompt. Then I will be sharing the same to you. This is the new command prompt. Previous command prompt not closed. Still it is running only. I'm triggering Java C command. We are unable to trigger Java C command. Whatever path we set in the previous command window, that is not available to other command windows. One way of setting a path is by using set command. That set command is used only for one command prompt, only for life of one command prompt, only for life of one command prompt, not for every command prompt. This is one way. Let me show the second way. Second way of setting a path is for every command prompt of one user. For every command prompt of one user. The system can have multiple users. How to set a path environment variable for one user. Setting a path environment variable for one user. I'm closing this sharing. I'm closing this sharing. In order to set a path for every command window of one user, you have to go to the computer, PC or my PC or this PC, computer or my computer or PC or this PC. Open Windows Explorer. I opened Windows Explorer. Let me share the same Windows Explorer to you. Kamlesh, no power? What is this sound? No power is not there? Yeah. So no net connection, no? Is there a off? There's no lighter. Net is there. Okay, no problem. No need of starting the generator. Not required generator. Let me share the Windows Explorer. I think my system is very slow. I don't know what is up right. In the Windows Explorer, in the left side you can see computer. In the Windows Explorer, left side you can see computer. In some systems you can see even OS or PC or my PC or this PC. After opening a Windows Explorer, in the left side whatever you are seeing, either computer or PC or this PC or my PC, right click on it. Right click on it, go to properties. Which IQ platform? It is not showing. Right click properties. Please just note down the steps whatever you have to do. After right click on computer, go to properties. You can see advanced system settings. Advanced system settings. Click on advanced system settings. After clicking on advanced system settings, you will be getting a environment variables. Environment variables. Just to note down these steps. Environment variables. Click on the environment variables. Now you can see one pop-up which contains two sections. One is a upper section. Second one is a lower section. Second way of setting a path environment variable is in the upper section. This is only for the current user. You can see user variables for a particular user. Upper section is only for current user. Lower section is for all the users. Second way of setting a path. Second way of setting a path. Second way of setting a path is setting path for every command prompt of one user. So you have to choose the upper section. You have to choose the upper section. Click on new. Click on new. Specify name of the environment variable. Name of the environment variable is a case insensitive. You can type in the lowercase path or uppercase path. Case insensitive. Variable name should be path with a case insensitive. Then variable value. You need to specify the location of javac command. JDK 8.0/bin d:/JDK 8.0/bin. This is the location where javac command is available. Click OK. Click OK in all the windows, in every window, whatever windows are opened. Now we set a path straight away in the computer which will be available to every command prompt of current user. In my system, current username is Lara1. If I enter into the system with Lara1, then path will be visible to all the command prompts whichever I am opening. Now let me open one new command prompt. Let me open one new command prompt. Please observe, after setting a path in the computer, you have to open a new command prompt. You should not use old command prompts. Why? Because whenever command prompt is opening, at that time it is going to the computer settings, reading latest environment variable updations. So whenever you updated a path in the computer, open a new command prompt. I opened a new command prompt. Let me share the same to you. Let us trigger javac command. I am able to run javac command from C drive itself. Go to the D drive, javac, go to the E drive, Java C, go to the F drive, Java C. From anywhere, we can able to trigger Java C command and Java command. I'm clearing the screen. You can trigger even Java command. Not only in the current command window, any other command windows, whatever command windows Lara 1 user is opening, even after restarting also. For all different sessions of Lara 1, he doesn't require to set a path. We set a path permanently in the computer itself, which will be visible to every session of current user, that is Lara 1 user. This is the second way of updating a path environment variable. Second way of updating a path environment variable. This second way is mainly for every command prompt of one user specific. There is a one more way, that is for every command prompt of all valid users of the same system. For every command prompt of all valid users of same system. For all valid users. Not only for Lara 1. If any other valid users are there, for those users also, we can set a path. Again, you have to go to computer properties. Let me open one Windows Explorer. I opened Windows Explorer. Let me share the same to you. My system is little slow. Some or other happening in the back end. Windows Explorer. While sharing the window, yeah, you can see the computer in the left side. See, there are a lot of ways of getting a computer. Even in the desktop also you can see the computer, and even start you can see the computer. Wherever you are seeing the computer or PC or my PC or this PC, right click, go to properties in the same way like earlier, advanced system settings, environment variables. Already I told upper section is for one user, lower section is for every user. Lower section is having a label system variables. System variables. You need to set a path under system variables. Already there is a path under system variables. You have to select that and you have to click on edit. Select that, click on edit. Come to the last, give a semicolon. Give a semicolon. Then specify your command's locations. JDK, D drive, D:/JDK 8.0/bin. This way is not very advisable. Why? Because we are trying to modify one of the existing environment variable. Already there is a path under system level. Already there is a path under system level. We are updating the same. While we are updating, there is a chance of committing a mistake. If you are committing a mistake, there is a chance of your operating system might not be working properly. So that is why don't do this one. The third approach is not very advisable because of two reasons. The first reason, you need to update one of the available. While you are updating, there is a chance of committing a mistake. That is one reason. Second reason is, it is a global to all the users, not only for you, it's a global to every user. If it is a global to every user, then other user can remove this, other user can modify this. You will be losing the security. You will be losing the security. So to avoid these two, don't go for third way of updating a path. Go for second way, that is user level. I'm just removing whatever I added. While removing, we have to be very cautious. We should not modify an existing content. This is the third way, but I'm not setting a third way. I just showed two limitations of third way of setting a path. There are two limitations while setting path environment variable under system level. Don't go for path environment variable updation under system level. There are two ways. There are two limitations. One is you need to update existing environment variable. While updating existing one, if at all you are committing any mistake, then there is a there is a chance of modifying the existing values. Sorry, there is a chance of operating system not working properly. Sorry. Then the second one, you will be losing the security. Other user also can use the same. Try to go for second level of updating a path environment variable. This is all about path environment variable. Most of the beginners are asking what you had to configure immediately after installing JDK. After installing JDK, what you have to configure? Please observe. In order to run javac command and java command, immediately after JDK installation, we have to configure path environment variable. Totally three ways of updating a path environment variable. So totally there are three ways of updating a path environment variable. How many ways are there? To update a path? How many ways are there to update a path? In order to update a path environment variable, totally how many ways are available? Please try to poll immediately. Still 8 more people not polled. Please finish off those people also. Come on. I'm ending the poll. Let's the share results. So everybody chooses the correct option. Option 3. Among these three ways, second way, user level under computer. Under computer configuration, go for user level. This is all about setup of JDK. JDK downloading, installation, configuration has been done. Downloading is done, installation is done, updation, path updation also done, configuration. Now, to develop Java programs, we require a small editor. We can use Notepad also, but it is a little difficult to compose Java programs by using Notepad. I will be using editplus software. Almost for 2 months, I will be using editplus only. After 2 months, we will start the Eclipse. Eclipse is not an editor, it is an IDE. Lot of functionalities are there in the Eclipse. Learner, beginner should not use Eclipse. After learning basic concepts of the syntax, for the syntaxes, whatever basics are there, after learning all the basics, then only we have to use Eclipse. That is why for Core Java Part 1, that is completely OOPS concepts, even for exception handling, inner classes also, I will be using editplus only. For some of the advanced concepts of Core Java, like a threads collection API, file handling, for that only I will be using Eclipse. From there onwards, entire J2EE, we will be driving through Eclipse only. Even though you are very comfortable on usage of any other editors, my advice is try to use editplus. Why? Because whatever shortcuts I am using in the editplus, you can also use. You can parallelly develop with me. Now let me show how we can download, from where we can download editplus and how to install. Please remember, editplus software, it's not a default. It's not a default in the Windows environment. You have to download explicitly. Downloading and installation. You will be getting 30 days trial period. Even after 30 days also, we can keep agreeing terms and conditions and we can keep using. You don't require to buy the editplus software. At least initially for 30 days you can use. Let me open one browser. Already there is a browser. Let me share the same. Go to editplus.com. editplus.com. Click the second one. Download editplus text editor. Download editplus text editor. Click on it. You can see download 1.95 MB. We don't require any 64-bit softwares. Go for Windows 1.95 MB. Sorry, download 1.95 MB. Let me increase the font size. Yes. You can see Windows 1.9, sorry, download 1.95 MB. Click on this. Downloading is started. It's very simple. Very simple. Just 1.95 MB. It won't take more than 1 or 2 minutes. In my system, downloading is got over. Let me go to the downloads folder. Let me share Windows Explorer. My system, Windows Explorer, not performing very well. Yeah. Under downloads, you can find a file called EPP. Yeah. This is the file downloaded, EPP430. Let me copy the same file. I'll put in the backup drive. I'm copying. Go to the backup drive. In the backup drive, already I created online-sw. Go inside online-sw. Already JDK installer is there. In the same location, you can keep EPP also. Very slowly performing. I don't want like a restarting the system just because of we are in the middle. Yeah. So let us see the installation. Installation is very simple. You don't require to worry anything. Just to double click on exe file, installation will be started. You don't require to modify any default settings. You don't require to modify any default settings. Keep going. Next, next, next. Start copy. Okay. Installation is completely done. Every day we will be using editplus only. Every day we will be using editplus only for developing Java programs. Just let me show. I'll open the editplus. I'll share the same window. First time it is asking like a agreeing the license agreement. Accepting license agreement. Click as start copy. Click as. See, you can click on trial. It is asking username, password. You can click on evaluate or try. So now I can able to use by minimizing this pop-up window. Let me share the same for you also. Yeah. So very simple now. You can go for file new Java. File new Java. You will be getting a Java program. File new Java. You'll get the Java program default. You can see whatever Hello World program is required, that is producing by editplus. This is completely a setup. Now we are ready to develop Java programs. JDK installation, configuration completely done. One editor also ready. We can able to develop any kind of programs. This is what software setup. With this setup, you can able to develop any kind of programs. So enough for today. So today scheduled only for setup. Completely setup we have seen right from the beginning. So same we can continue tomorrow morning by 5:30.